required to find the length x from the given figure. Line constructions, trigonometric identities, Pythagoras' theorem, cosine rule, arithmetic and algebraic operations are used to solve this question. Solution. Let angle STR be equals to theta. Join line OS equals line OT, which equals to the radius, r of the circle. This implies that angle OTS equals 90 degrees minus theta. The reason is that line OT is a perpendicular line, and angle T equals 90 degrees. It follows that angle OTS is equals to angle OST, which equals 90 degrees minus theta. It is because base angles of isosceles triangle STR are equal. This implies that angle TOS equals 180 degrees minus, in bracket, 2 times 90 degrees minus theta, which equals to 2 times theta. From triangle STR, using trigonometric identity, RS divided by ST equals 4 divided by 16, which equals to 1 divided by 4. The result is equal to sine theta. It follows that sine theta equals 1 divided by 4. We call it equation 1. By trigonometric identity, cosine 2 times theta equals 1 minus 2 times sine square theta. Substitute equation 1. This implies that cosine 2 times theta equals 1 minus 2 times sine square theta, which equals to 1 minus 2 times 1 over 4 square. The result equals 7 divided by 8. We call it equation 2. Consider triangle TOS, using cosine rule. The square of length TS equals 2 times the product of the square of length OT, and 1 minus cosine 2 times theta, where length OT equals length OS, which equals to r. It is because opposite side lengths of isosceles triangle TOS are equal. This implies that 16 square equals 1/4 of the square of length OT. As shown on the screen. Solve for the square of length OT. Take the square root of the equation. Length OT equals the square root of the product of 16 square and 4, which equals to 32. Since length OT equals 32, which equals to r, the result equals to x. Therefore, x equals 32 units.